crazy, but I'm going to a wedding tomorrow, so, and I have to take pictures soon. So I wanted to get my nails done, and I am currently going to my first BLK Nail Tech. I am at her home, and I'm so excited, y'all. I'm so excited to get my nails done. I haven't had my nails done in so long, so just stay with me. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, just go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and let's go ahead and get into the vlog. Hey guys, my appointment was 2 hours long, but here are the nails, you guys. They look so good to me. Like, oh, I'm blocking the camera. I've never had like really like, excuse my ashy hands, but you know how it be after you leave the nails on. But y'all, like, I never had like nice cute like nails before. Like, I always just get a basic color, but these to me, they're just, first of all, I love nude. Like, I live for nude. Ooh, my face. But I live for nude. I'm very happy with my nails. I'm very happy. Her name is Maya, and she owns Nails by Kiss, and I will leave all her stuff in the description. But on to our next endeavors, you guys. So it's the next day. I actually just came back from a wedding. I got on my pajamas. I'm tired. I haven't even taken my makeup off, but we have to pack because we are going to DC for the week, and I want to bring you guys along on that. So I'm gonna pack, and I will be back. Okay, I lied. I did not end up packing last night. I'm currently at a nail salon trying to get a pedicure for my pictures. Then I'm gonna probably grab something to eat, hit the store, and then go home and clean and pack. Okay guys, so sorry, I lied. So ignore my pimple because I don't know, I just couldn't have a photo shoot without having a pimple, huh? Okay y'all, so I left not too long ago. I ended up going to a different salon because the original salon I was at, I felt like they just didn't want my money. Like, the vibes were off. Like, I was like, nope, 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 I'm gonna just go to my usual people. So that's what I did, and I got my toes done, and they look great. So I think that was just a sign from the Lord. Just go to where you usually go to. So now I'm sitting in the parking lot because I'm eating some Chipotle. Then I'm gonna go to Walmart and get some eggs because my mom needs some eggs, and then we are going to pack. I might not record the packing process just because, like, we all know how to pack. I might show you the finished product, but I don't think I'll record me packing. But yeah, I'm gonna pack, and I'm gonna clean my room, and then I'll be all ready to go for tomorrow. So I will see you guys there. So you guys, I'm home, and I still haven't packed, and I leave tomorrow at like 7 in the morning to go to the train station to leave at 8:25. That's when my train departs, and it's just like, I don't know, like, I have not packed one thing, and I'm not a procrastinator when it comes to things like this, but y'all, I don't know what I have yet to clean my room. I'm literally, and I was trying to take a nap because I felt so tired after running errands today, but clearly I got into bed and I just been laying here for hours. So I'm gonna get up. I even washed a load of clothes. I did the smallest thing. Like, y'all pray for me because I don't know why I'm just stalling. Like, nobody's forcing me to go. Like, literally, I don't know, y'all. Hey guys, I am on my way out the door. I did end up packing last night, but I was so tired. Like, I didn't even really want to record for real. My hair looks crazy, but it will be done later on today because I have to take pictures along with my makeup. But there go my suitcase at the door with my purse. I don't know what my cat is doing. Y'all know he be traumatizing me, well, harassing me. But yep guys, I will see you guys when I am at Amtrak. Okay guys, so I am in DC. I touched down. I'm at my cousin's place. I've been here for a minute. I've been trying to get ready. I have a whole nother vlog coming up on why I look like this, but yeah, I've been here for a minute guys. I settled in. If you made it this far, I know this vlog was a little bit all over the place, but I just wanted to bring you guys on my journey. But I did end up making it, And I've been having a good time, so yeah. That's her laughing. But I will see you guys in my next video. Other than that, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.